Welcome to Financial Future, the channel where we dive into all things related to your financial well-being. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: replacing the cost of living adjustment with a $200 increase for Social Security beneficiaries, including those receiving retirement, disability, SSDI, survivors, and SSI benefits. I've got all the details you need right here in this video, so let's jump right in. In this video, I want to delve into two significant proposals that have been making headlines lately. First, the $200 per month increase for millions of beneficiaries, and second, the potential elimination of the annual COLA for these beneficiaries. These are both major changes that are being discussed in the world of Social Security, and I want to give you the lowdown on where things currently stand and what might be in store. Before we get started, I want to express my gratitude for your support. If you're new to the channel or haven't already, please consider subscribing by clicking that big red button down below. Your support means a lot to me, and I'm here to provide you with the latest updates and insights on anything that can impact your financial future. Now let's dive into the details of these proposed changes. First, the $200 per month increase is part of the Social Security Expansion Act, introduced by Bernie Sanders and a group of Democratic senators around 14 to 15 months ago. This act aims to make various changes to Social Security, including the implementation of a $200 per month increase for beneficiaries, extending for approximately 75 years. It also involves adjustments to taxes and how COLA is calculated. On the other hand, there's a proposal to eliminate the annual COLA adjustment. While this hasn't become a reality yet, it's a cost-saving idea that's on the table. Lawmakers argue that removing the COLA could save billions of dollars annually since it wouldn't be necessary to adjust benefits for inflation. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some lawmakers are suggesting that implementing the $200 per month increase could potentially replace the COLA. Their logic is that if beneficiaries are receiving an additional $200 per month, there may be no need for the COLA adjustment on top of that. This could save billions of dollars annually by eliminating the COLA while still providing a significant boost to beneficiaries. However, it's important to remember that these are just proposals at this point, and nothing has been set in stone. We're keeping a close eye on the situation because, as we all know, lawmakers can sometimes surprise us with their decisions. Before 1975, Congress was responsible for determining the COLA every year, but since then, it has been adjusted automatically based on inflation reports. So, the idea of eliminating the COLA is not something that beneficiaries would likely take lightly, and there would need to be a compelling alternative in place. In conclusion, while these proposals might sound surprising or even outrageous, we must stay informed about the ongoing discussions and potential changes to Social Security. Nothing has been finalized yet, and we need to be prepared for whatever direction lawmakers decide to take. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate your support and the opportunity to keep you informed about important financial matters. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, family, and on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest developments in the world of finance. Until next time, take care and have a great day.